Coming up on today's episode of Airborne-Unmanned. First authorized drone inspections planned near busy U.S. airport. Drone assist in New York firefighting effort. Kespry to provide its UAS to John Deere's customers. Hi, I'm Bree Cross. Welcome to the Aero-News Network's Airborne-Unmanned program, a weekly news program covering all things unmanned in partnership with AUVSI, the Association for Unmanned Vehicle Systems International, the world's largest nonprofit organization devoted exclusively to advancing the unmanned systems and robotics community, serving more than 7,500 members from industry, government organizations, and academia. The New Jersey Department of Transportation has embarked on one of the first legal drone operations ever authorized in the busy Newark, New Jersey airspace, opening up numerous possibilities for future official use of unmanned aircraft systems. The department contracted with S&R Engineering and Principia, Inc. to inspect high-mast light poles. Principia was approved by the FAA for a Part 107 waiver to operate tethered drones within Newark's Class Bravo airspace. Flying drones near any airport is complicated, much less Newark Liberty International, one of the busiest in the country. So a number of safety measures were taken in advance. NJDOT Bureau of Aeronautics UAS Coordinator Glenn Stott said, quote, NJDOT ensured our crews had successfully inspected dozens of poles before considering working near Newark Airport. We then coordinated with the FAA and Newark Liberty International Airport Management to minimize any potential impact for the airport. As a result of our preparations, the FAA approved a tethered operation to a maximum altitude of 100 feet. To further reduce the chances of traffic congestion around the airports, the drones will only fly on the weekends, Stott says. Using the drones could actually improve roadway traffic for area commuters by simplifying the pole inspection process and making it safer. In the next Unmanned Minute, let's take a brief look at a few of the shorter stories that are making the rounds of the unmanned vehicle communities. Starr Companies has announced primary and excess liability coverage for drones in the construction industry. As a joint initiative between Starr's aviation and excess construction divisions, this product will enhance coverage for general contractors, subcontractors, and project owners who utilize drones within the scope of their business. The inaugural Enlisted Remotely Piloted Aircraft Pilot Selection Board has chosen 30 enlisted airmen to fill fiscal year 2017-2018 training slots as a part of the deliberate approach to enhance the Air Force's intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance mission. The historic Enlisted RPA Pilot Selection Board convened at the Air Force Personnel Center February 6th through the 8th and selected 2 senior master sergeants, 5 master sergeants, 9 technical sergeants, 14 staff sergeants, and 5 alternatives. The schedule and agenda for the March 27th through 29th FAA-UAS Symposium is now available. FAA and AUVSI are partnering on the symposium, which will provide stakeholders the opportunity to talk face-to-face with regulators about regulations, research, and other initiatives. FAA senior leadership will be presenting info on future regulatory efforts and agency activities, breakout sessions on various topics of interest relevant to a wide range of stakeholders, and technical workshops with agency subject matter experts. More info can be accessed at auvsi.org/FAA2017/home. That was our Unmanned Minute. Now back to the news. Isn't it great when a drone story turns out to feature one as the hero? The New York Fire Department used a drone to give firefighters a better view of what was going on the roof of a burning building last week. Fire broke out in a 6-story apartment building in the Bronx. It quickly spread through 4 floors of the building. Deputy Assistant Chief Dan Donahue said that as the roof started to fail, they deployed the $85,000 drone, equipped with HD and infrared cameras, to help them assess what the situation was on the roof. Quote, we had a lot of great radio reports, but that's only verbal. So with the drone, we actually had a good visual picture, so it really helped us to make decisions to help put this fire out and keep our guys safe, he said. The tethered drone can fly as high as 200 feet, according to the report. The fire department has been training with the aircraft for several months. but this was the first time it had been used during an active fire, and apparently not the last either. Thanks to an exclusive global strategic alliance, commercial UAS developer Kespry will begin offering its aerial intelligence system to John Deere Construction and Forestry dealers so that they in turn can provide Kespry's UAS to its customers for use on job sites across the world. As part of the partnership, Kespry will provide training and certification on the use of the Kespry 2's platform. The Kespry UAS is completely autonomous as it takes off, flies, and lands all on its own. The Kespry Drone 2s will give John Deere customers the ability to capture, evaluate, and share survey-grade data and insights simply and efficiently. The vehicle also includes an onboard LiDAR sensor that helps it detect and avoid a variety of obstacles. Quote, "Our relationship with John Deere will accelerate the adoption of drone solutions in industrial markets and will rapidly change how business is done in construction, road building, and other industrial sectors," says Kespry Chairman CEO George Matthew. Users of the Kespry UAS program can also access real-time 3D renderings, volumetric analysis, and data export features via a simple web interface. Data collection using the UAS can also be exported from Kespry's cloud to several different common modeling packages. Well, that's our program for this week. In addition to this program, our daily Airborne-Unlimited episodes covering the entire aviation and aerospace world are streamed Monday through Friday. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and tweet us. Get comprehensive real-time 24/7 coverage of the latest aviation and aerospace stories anytime at aero-news.net. And more information on the innovative world of all things unmanned at auvsi.org and airborne-unmanned.net. We'll see you next week.